Long ke Ïada ne ke jing mentoy. Long ke Pyndonkam banom bore ne Sngewkhia rany habakran ne ban ai jing pensai sekipat ba. Mat ke ne ke don ha ke mensim jong ke wei ke Longkmie ke bana East Jante Hills District habakaya Bynta ha ke jing ko pen inya ha ke sengi berakhi ya ke World AIDS Day ha ke sautre ku nok pra araja arpusau ha kliariat West Community Hall kliariat East Jante Hills District halor ke pang ke boong. Take the right path. Yakani ke program lapanya da Commitment to Community Social Welfare Association MCSWA Kliriat harangkat ke Jingatray lang ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ke Max Shillong but ke District Legal Services Authority DLSA East Jante Hills District hakabau Atiar Verma IAS SDO Sardar East Jante Hills District ulalong ke Mukongsan. Hakani kesengi kibaya dan ringkat ki Kyntu yau Dr. D. Shilla DMNHO East Jante Hills District, Dr. J. Nong Tudu Medical and Health Officer OSD Center, Dr. D. Nong Plo Medical Officer in Charge ICTC, Ubak PN Square Panel Lawyer DLSA, Uaris J. Nongkenri Chief Functionary MCSWA, Ajoy Lanong Deputy Director Mainstreaming Max, Nalor ki nong ilam shnong ki Asha ki kunhon Self-Help Group, na ki shnong baper but ki wei, haka jing yalang balapenya ka rinibet patlong Program Manager Commitment to Community Social Welfare Association TICC Klirian. Ki doktor ba ai jing kran haga digeski ki lapen syai halor khyang jing pang HIV AIDS bat kumnu uporstat ukta ya ka mat ubril kumjo ya ka perkhat perdan ki bayo yau niu khyang ukongsan Atiar Verma habakran halor ka pang Take the Right Path ulaong knang ban la ban rat ding khong yau niu khyang jipang don kam ban ai ka jing start jing shampang bat pen kop bor ya ki khon samla nakabanta bakin lej mi pen sung thu paj ba don kam ban pen yo ka jing sakri baya dei bat ka kot ka khia shaboro lang batru ban pen sung thu e ki nong song snong halor ban pendo pendam ka jing pej iben ni nyau ben ya ki brio ki bayo yau niu khyang jingpang.
So the first thing is basically understanding the message behind the theme according to me. That is that recognize that every individual has the right to access good health care, quality health care, education and support without discrimination. As one of our speakers was telling us about that saddening event, that as soon as they got to know that the body has HIV, even the family members, due to the certain stigmatization or something, they did not prefer touching the body. I mean, if they are the family members and even they are not aware, then this situation will not boil down to a good scenario that we are hoping to complete in our mind. For this to translate, even the family members should know that no, HIV will not spread through this kind of contact. Some other kind of things have to be done for the spread of HIV disease, but not this, not just the physical contact. Then secondly, we have to advocate for the removal of barriers like stigmas that we talked about and misinformation and systemic neglect against the people PLHIVs. Then thirdly, we have to create an enabling environment where the people do not fear stigma. They come themselves to approach the medical teams and district administration for help. Right now, the scenario in our district, as the former speakers have already told, and I would like to share the data set with you as well. And it is global prevalence rate is around 0.6%, and national prevalence, as you also told about that day, is around 0.25%. But in our district, it is soaring high to 2.6 to 2.5%, which is really high, and it is a hotspot district for this HIV spreading. And that we need as a district, we need to certainly have this key point in our mind that this is a priority.
Hakajing kop extempo speech halor kapang HIV AIDS balai Bynta digi Asha naki snong baper but na pedeng kini ki Asha kabalayo ra nam job kiri ka Grace Bidal rembai ka Asha jong ka lat rembai ka bakran pensai halor Condom da ka baong haka jok menta uniu tiar ula aruban Ïada Haduh sau Bynta kata banom armen ban lat ye bet jingpang HIV jingpang STD but hepatitis da ka baga Kyntu ya baro badai ben Pyndonkam bet yo Condom kenang ban lat naki jingpang.
Ïada mencuba juang ke Condom Ïada naka pregnancy. You like use usmat pun kon untuk 100% dari 98%. Kata nuan gaman Condom Ïada hati so Bynta. We tak nak lagi pun kon HIV, STI, ka HIV, STI pun kon baka hepatitis. Ini cek jut you like nau condom. Kecule, new condom poro ibu, ni you use the jo asin. You use have cho use pile have pipe yaki expired date yoku. Kecule, new condom poro ibu, they use u gonna not pathagi u. Hadana not pathagi u you condom. You be mana kat selap jo you be kiwa kami hilang bay mo ada roy request kap selesai. Do you ada kunga? Dengan request you ya karena batin, mana dia use siang ha, buah hakim plastik, tak ki, no pot dustbin you Meghalaya ditang ni sen. Mana no pathar bigi, teman kajing you seram, ya iu lai dinti, ya kiwi head di hanyuman le. Iwa mentip ke onge oh ke balun ne, kan bayar tu CD. Dah, ini kita ni wada onge la, teman jut 1 minit mau yoklam. They use a condom everywhere. You can carry it. Pila berkala yung condom kat sebuah bilik. Nomor bar. Don't ke habit mo. Ke habit jungi. Ke habit jungi. Kau miu yang Haduh ku sayung deh. Cek ibru. Dalam kiri. Nombor. Dalam kiri mo. Ketai seberang. Nowadays, they have 2 types of condoms. Female condoms and male condoms. Mostly we use male condom. Kan semua carry it in your bag. Atau apa saja Sngewkhia. Tapi pakai yang ni, kalau kau cium siapa ni, baiklah, berseram, jangan tahan baik. Ulang jangan advice use a condom. Iki mana kau cium? Mana kau cium ni? Ni nak kerja, tak kan nuai tak. Kan nuai tak, sangka tu mah. Api kita masih nak bahagia cikin bagi sangka semua. Dan welcome protection.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batai kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka batau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha Pyndonkam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya